Hey everyone, this is Ahmed from EV Technologies, and today we're going to go over a quick demo as to how to use the new grouping functionality that was introduced into Web Intelligence as of version 4.1 SP2. Many of you who are familiar with older versions of business objects, especially when Desky was more prevalent, are familiar with this functionality, and I would be pretty sure you're happy that it is now back in the tool set. What I'm going to do today is just go over a quick demo as to how to incorporate this new grouping function into your reporting. What we have is a quick, very short query from eFashion Universe with 3 objects, just 2 dimensions and a measure. And I'm just going to focus on taking the store name and breaking up the store name into 2 main regions. You'll see under the Analysis tab is the grouping function, and it becomes active whenever you click on an object or dimension. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, arrow, and say Manage Groups. And what I basically want to do is I want to look at all my list of values and group them into the appropriate regions, and we'll call them East Coast and West Coast regions. So I'm going to take everything that's east of Austin and click on them. And I'm going to say, I guess Dallas, Houston. We'll say Houston and Texas is on the East Coast. And Miami, New York as well. And we'll go ahead and click on the group button, and we're going to say these guys are on the East Coast. And we can do the same thing, and we can click on the rest here and say they're on the West Coast. Or you can go to the ungrouped values, and we're just going to say we're going to automatically group everything else into the West Coast, just as a way to save time. But it's a nice function that you can do a all else and into there. So we'll go ahead and click OK. So now we got our East Coast and West Coast. I'm going to go ahead and hit Apply. Actually, before that, I'm going to go ahead and rename this to Region so that we have a value, and I'm going to hit OK. Now you see we have a variable dimension called region, just as if you would have created a custom dimension. And you can see it went ahead and did our grouping for us. If we went ahead and brought in the store name, you'll see that the store name has grouped the stores in terms of the location that we wanted. So we can always check and see, make sure everything is working. And there you have it. So this is a nice way to group your dimensions without having to use any if-then logic with Web Intelligence. And definitely a feature that was lacking in older versions of Web Intelligence, and definitely a feature that many who have used Desky in the past are welcoming back. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.